हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त आयुषी जैन और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे टॉप 10 वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज इन इंडिया। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग, इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस टू नो सम अबाउट वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज। Exploring wildlife has always been fun, especially in places where wild animals have become a part of a culture and mythology. There are 551 existing wildlife sanctuaries in India, covering an area of 119,775.80 km square, which is 3.64% of the geographical area of the country. Starting with the number 10, Bandipur National Park, Karnataka. Bandipur National Park is the most popular among all the national parks in South India. It is a natural home to elephants and several other endangered species. Once the hunting grounds of the Maharaja of Mysore, Bandipur is now a sanctuary for tigers. Around 115 tigers inhabit the environments, with many varieties of deer, elephants, gaur, sambar, Malabar squirrel, jackal, elephants, langurs, black-napped hare, wild dogs, jackal, etc. The wildlife reserve is also home to 350 avifauna species, luring birdwatchers from far ends of the globe, many species of butterflies, dung beetles, and many more. Number 9. Pench National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Moving on with our list of the top wildlife sanctuaries in India, we have the Pench National Park. Located on the border of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, Pench is abounding in wildlife. The undulating topography supports varied vegetation ranging from moist, sheltered valleys to open, dry deciduous forest with recorded 1200 species of plants. The Pench River, flowing through the natural reserve, is the life source of the national park. The Tiger Reserve is known for the big cats, smuggled chital, wild boars, over 285 resident and migratory birds, 4 species of the now endangered vultures, rarely seen leopards in good numbers, and more. Pench Reserve Forest also offers boat rides to its numerous islands. Number 8. Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. Listed as one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India, Sundarbans is a world where it's the law of the jungles. Located on a river delta formed by the river Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna, the reserve is intriguing. The mangroves of Sundari trees are a unique attraction of national park, as these floating roots gives them an eerie look. Named among the natural wonders of India, Sundarbans is home to Royal Bengal tigers, rare saltwater crocodiles, olive ridley turtles, a wide variety of birds and reptiles. Other inhabitants of river delta forest are fishing cats, leopard cats, macaques, wild boar, etc. The national park is exportable on a boat cruise. Number 7. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala. It is one of the most picturesque wildlife sanctuaries in India. The wilderness is home to some of the diverse species, and the national park is one of the best places for wildlife holidays in India. Elephants, tigers, and a variety of birds are the key highlights. But that is not all. The Periyar Lake, the source of water in the national park, offers boat cruises where you can easily get to spot a number of animals quenching their thirst at the lake shores. Furthermore, even safari in Periyar is unique, as you get options of boat safari, jungle patrolling, elephant safari, stay in the forest, and more. Number 6. Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh. when it comes to the top wildlife sanctuaries in India. Kanha National Park truly deserves some mention. Kanha is home to Royal Bengal tigers, black panther, bears, pythons, elephants, and many more. This is one of the wildlife sanctuaries in India with the most diverse flora and fauna. Settled in the foothills of Satpuras in Madhya Pradesh, Kanha is prosperous in biodiversity. Add to thrill as you plan stay at one of the luxury resorts. Bid goodbye to the cities and embrace the natural way of life at one of the best wildlife sanctuaries in India, Kanha. Number 5. Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Kaziranga National Park is one of the most famous wildlife sanctuaries in India, which is also listed as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Settled in the lap of northeast India, in Assam, the wildlife reserve nurtured by nature and kept in its true form. Kaziranga is a home to a large population of a one-horned rhinoceros in the world. That's why it is among the top wildlife sanctuaries in India. In addition to the rhinos, there are elephants, bears, panthers, various birds, some migrating from far corners of the world, and more. Spread across the floodplains of the Brahmaputra River, the nature reserve comprises of the forest, wetlands, and grasslands and is a part of Eastern Himalaya biodiversity hotspot. Number 4. Gir Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat. Gir Wildlife Sanctuary is the exclusive home of Asiatic lions in India. The national park in Gujarat is one of the most popular wildlife sanctuaries in India. Settled at the western Gujarati peninsula, the Gir forest was formerly a part of the Nawab of Junagadh private hunting grounds. The rugged scrublands and forest of Gir offers the unparalleled opportunity to get a glimpse of the rare Asiatic lions, coupled with elusive wild animals and hard to find birds. The easily spotted wildlife in their natural habitats are like Asiatic wild ass, hyenas, Gir foxes, pygmy woodpecker, brownfish owl, and blackbuck, etc. Gir is home to 523 lions, 300 leopards, 200 species of birds, 40 species of reptiles and amphibians, making it a very enriching wildlife adventure in India. Number 3. Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh. The next popular place in our list of wildlife sanctuaries in India is the Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Boasting of the highest density of tigers in the world, the natural reserve in the heart of Madhya Pradesh was once upon a time the royal hunting grounds of the Maharajas of Rewa. Set at the foothills of Vindhyachal Mountains, this is one of the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in India that is known for the Royal Bengal tigers and the unique white tigers, but that is not all. Over 37 species of mammals, 250 species of birds, 80 species of butterflies, and more make Bandhavgarh their home. Adding to our thrill is a visit to the ancient Bandhavgarh fort and staying at one of the wildlife resorts. Number 2. Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. Settled on the foothills of Uttarakhand, next on our list of popular wildlife sanctuaries in India is the Jim Corbett National Park. Established in 1936, named after famous naturalist Jim Corbett, it was the first national park in India and was a shelter to the endangered Royal Bengal tigers. Owing to the healthy population of tigers, in addition to leopards, wild elephants, Himalayan tahr, a variety of birds, Corbett is quite well known among wildlife adventure enthusiasts. Number 1. Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan. On the list of the most popular wildlife sanctuaries in India, at the very top, we have the Ranthambore National Park, close to the town of Savai Madhopur in Rajasthan. This is one of the wildlife sanctuaries in India that was used formerly as a hunting grounds by the Rajputana royalty. Now the nature reserve is home to Royal Bengal tigers, Indian leopard, nilgai, wild boar, sambar, striped hyena, sloth bear, Mudger crocodile and cheetal. It is also among the well-known wildlife sanctuaries in India to find a wide variety of trees, plants, birds, and reptiles. Embark upon a safari in the early morning, stay at one of the luxury wildlife resorts like Royalty, and have a thrilling adventure. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and share. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and please press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my video. Thank you.